Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome to my channel. And without wasting your time, let's get to the point. Today I'm going to do a full face of K Beauty. I'm sure you must have seen my unboxing video of the K Beauty hamper that I had received, and today I'm going to do a full face of K Beauty. I've also done my eye makeup already using the K Beauty Bloom palette. This wasn't a part of the package, however I did own it and I've already done my eyes. So let's get started. The first product that I'm using from the package is the Peach Primer, and as the color suggests, the product is absolutely peach in color, and peach is definitely brightening on Indian complexion and particularly my complexion. The next product I'm going to use is the orange corrector pencil, and I am applying this on all my problem areas like my under eye, pigmentation on the sides of my forehead, corners of my lips. I even have some pigmentation here, and I'm just blending it out. I won't deny that the pencil did glide over my skin very easily. बहुत आसानी से it went all over. Just blending it out. I anyways feel that once you apply a product on the skin, आपको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेना चाहिए उसको blend out करने में, because कोई भी product थोड़ा सा dry हो जाता है लगाने के बाद. Next step मैं ले रही हूँ उनका concealer, and this is shade 175 Y Tan. I always like to use a concealer which is darker than my problem areas to cover it. I think this is one of the most effective ways to hide pigmentation and dark circles and any imperfections on your skin. In fact, just patting it. याद रखिए प्रोडक्ट को हमेशा पैट करिए. अगर ड्रैग भी करना है, your hand should not be very harsh. It should be very soft. I do personally feel कि सिर्फ ऑरेंज करेक्टर लगाने से it is not as effective. अब मैं यूज कर रही हूँ फाउंडेशन शेड 135 मीडियम. I'm gonna make sure I write all the shades in the description box also. What I love about the foundation is that it is hydrating, dry नहीं है, very good for dry skin, and इसका जो coverage है वो medium coverage है. तो अगर if you're somebody who likes heavier, you can always apply more. So if I had to talk about the shade that I just applied, ये मेरे लिए one tone darker है, and I'm honestly very okay with it, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि concealer लगा के face के highlight points पे you can always brighten it up. In fact, I am not somebody who is in favor of applying foundations that are very light for the complexion. अब मैं shade लगा रही हूँ 140Y medium, and as it suggests, इसका undertone yellow है. And now let's blend this out. So मैं अपना अंडर आई हाईलाइट बहुत लाइट नहीं कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं जैसे ही उसको करती हूँ मेरे जो टीयर ड्रॉप्स हैं वो दिखने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. And the idea of doing makeup is to make your complexion look absolutely flawless. Next I'm using उनका contour stick जिसका shade है caramel focus, and I'm super excited because there are not too many Indian brands doing the right color, और ये color मुझे बहुत पसंद आया है. इसका एक perfect grey undertone है that will work for most complexions. And I also like one thing about pencils कि आप अपनी nose की contour lines and cleft और हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से आप draw कर सकते हैं. And just see how the pencil glides over the skin. तो चलिए let's do a blend test. I'm doing it right in front of the camera, guys. ये इनमें से कोई भी product except the banana powder and the eyeshadow palette, इसके अलावा मैंने और कुछ भी यूज नहीं किया है K Beauty से, and I hope this blends out easily. Next up, I'm using the blush which is called the Mild Berry. It's a matte blush. Quite a beautiful color, I quite like it. And now applying the Illuminating Highlighter in shade Honey Glaze, a very beautiful gold for Indian complexion. This would even work for medium to deeper skin tones. It does not have any glitter particles in it. And in fact, I prefer using highlighters which add more of a glow and not glitter chunks on the face. And now it's time to powder the skin. I'm using the loose powder in shade Banana. And now it's time to lip line and do the lipstick, and I am using the lip liner in a shade called High Impact. In fact, I have done a K-Beauty lip pencil swatches and I did not have this in my kit then, and I'm absolutely loving the color. In fact, my review is up on my YouTube and you can definitely watch it. Like a nice brownie pink, great to line the lips, I feel, for Indian complexions. And I'm using the matte lipstick. It's called shade Melodrama. Absolutely love the color. It's matte, but it's not too dry, and that's what I like about it. And now I'm also going to try out the Illuminating Gold powder. I've been really curious about this, and I don't want to take a chance on my face straight away. So I'm going to start with my collarbones. Oh yes, that works brilliantly on the collarbones. So it has a shine in it, but it's not a lot. Can you see that? Okay, I'm just going to take a chance with it on my face. Yeah, so it's a beautiful non-chunky powder. In fact, I like it more on the face. In fact, it's not very relevant on the body, and मुझे लगता है यहाँ के लिए I needed something slightly more lighter so that the collarbones would pop out. This one looks really beautiful on the cheekbones. There is a difference. And last but not the least, I'm going to use the kohl pencil, and they claim that it's long lasting up to 24 hours and it's smudge proof. वैसे एक बारी में ही लग गई, and I quite like that, which shows that it's very creamy. But remember, creamy pencils tend to not stay also. It's quite black and intense. If you can see कि इतने अच्छे से आँखों में definition आई है. So there you go guys, full face of K-Beauty. What do you think? Do let me know in the comments which were your favorite products. If I really had to give you my first impressions, I do feel that the correcting under eye pencil could have been better. It needed to be a bit more creamier. And contour pencil में मुझे ये भी लगा कि it was a little difficult for me to blend it out. Maybe इसलिए भी हो सकता है क्योंकि I had applied it all over the face, and by the time I blended this and I came here, it had already dried out. So a better way to use it would be to apply, blend, and not like go all over the face and then blend it out. मैं फिर भी इसको professional makeup के लिए use नहीं करूँगी guys, क्योंकि the kind of clientele I get, I need to use very high-end products on them. And but at the same time, I would use this for my personal makeup. I love the blusher, the lip liners, so I'm a huge fan of them. The eyeshadow palettes are also pretty nice. I definitely want to keep a check on this KOHL pencil and see कि ये smudge होती है या नहीं होती है. The lipstick was brilliant as well. Powder हल्का सा drying है. I wish थोड़ा सा और hydrating होता, but at the same time for everyday personal use, it's not bad at all. And the highlighters also, I like the color. They are not glittery, and that is what I particularly like about them. मेरे पास सिर्फ 2 colors आए हैं. I don't know if they have more colors. I'll definitely look up Nykaa to check it out. But yes, this entire collection is available on Nykaa. So do let me know in the comments your favorite products. Do let me know in case you wish to see more of these videos. Yes guys, मेरे पास काफी affordable products भी हैं. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. Take care and see you soon.